change the wiper washer switch on this 2013 Dodge Avenger recovered theft. If you look at the new wiper, it's pretty simple. I took the steering column cover off. There's 3 bolts underneath. And basically there's one screw back here and a wire that plugs in. And that's all it takes. And clips in, put the screw back in, and clip the power cord in. Very simple. Okay, once the screw's out, it should slide out. There's some guides, slid out. I'm going to use a screwdriver and take this little wire out. And it's out. Now I'm going to put the new one in, the exact opposite as we took it out. It slides in, guide holes, guide slots. Hook the wire back in. It's tough doing this while I'm filming. Now I'm putting the screw back in. And there we have it, switches in.